Oh shit.
They're so stupid.
They're those girls in college that everyone wishes they could be.
No, I don't think I wish I could be them right now. I don't want to be sick in the morning.
They look like they're having fun though.